cold out, but work must continue there at the homestead. All right, so I have the four corners of the planting area staked out. All right, so I got 5 stakes in so far, one in each corner, and then I got one in the middle of the backside. Because here in the front here, here's where my gate's gonna go. So I'm gonna build my gate 4 feet high, 3 feet wide. You know, just enough for me to get my wheelbarrow and things like that in there if I have to. Don't really need to because I can just park it right out front here. but I'm gonna build it anyway, 3 feet wide by 4 feet high. So let me measure out so I can center it. All right, so the front of it here is 16 feet long. So 16 feet probably in the back, and the sides is probably about 14 feet. So anyway, 16 feet in the front. So I'm gonna put the gate eight would be the center, right? All right, so I had to measure out there just to make sure I was, you know, kind of centered. I'm gonna end up cementing these wooden 6-foot 2x4s into the ground right here. So, and I'm gonna go down about 1.5 feet, 2 feet, so that I can bring it to about 4 feet, right? So I'm gonna have one at 6.5 feet from the post over there, and then the other one over there, I'm gonna have it at 9.5. So that will give me the 3 feet. Guys, what's up, man? We're gonna take a break because Pappy is a little tired. So we're gonna take a break. Then we're gonna come back, and Dr. Ricky came out to help me. So we're a little ahead on the project, and we'll show you where we're at, and we'll wrap it up.
So other than that, we're actually gonna go on and check on Eleanor because she's tending to her eggs right now. You know, I'm gonna get in there because Grandpa's gonna go and check out and see how his babies are doing.
Grandpa gotta go check on the you know the midwives. I'm the mid grandpa, so I'm gonna go check and see how Eleanor's doing, because this is the 3rd day and she hasn't been out. She comes out very briefly just to get a quick bite, and then she's back on her eggs. So we're gonna go ahead and take a break, and we're gonna check on Eleanor, and then we're gonna come back and wrap this baby up.
What's up, guys? It's Dr. Ricky, and right now I'm inside of the chicken coop. And as you can see, Eleanor, she's still on her eggs. She's kind of yelling right now. I think she's still a little scared, as you can see. Just give her a little pat, see if we can calm her down. But as you can see, she's still laying on her eggs. But the bull actually told me a little while ago that Jada had come and laid her egg right next to Eleanor, so she just gave her egg to Eleanor to sit on. So that made me just a little bit worried because she's giving away my breakfast and I kind of need to eat. But at the same time, Eleanor right here is just continuing and just adding to her pile of eggs right there. But this is the 3rd day that she's been like this, so hopefully she's not going to be like this too much longer. Just a little bit more time, and then the babies will hatch, and then she won't be as broody anymore. She can go back to being normal. Anyway, guys, we're going to see you in just a little bit because we're going to go back out and continue our work on the garden bed.
All right. I think I'm going to have to put that collar back on Ike, man. Be quiet for a minute. All right, so Dr. Ricky had come out and gave me a little hand, and we're up ahead a little bit at the game now. As you can see, I got 2 posts up. These are 2 posts for the entrance to the chickens' vegetable garden. So the 2 posts are up there, cemented in. We put the fencing up. We put the fencing up. All right, that's perfect right there. So we have we put the fencing up, so we wrap the whole area up now, so the whole area is fenced off now. The only area that I haven't completed yet is just over in the front, because I had to wait for the cement to dry up a little bit on the post, so then I can get that on there nice and tight. So, but basically that's a wrap there, and the same thing over here on this side. So this will be right here. You can bring it down a little bit so they can kind of see the idea of the gate. All right, bring it up a little bit. All right, so right there, so that's that. Now, what I'm doing here, all right, so what I'm doing here is just I'm giving the gate a little, this will make the gate stronger and give it a little bling at the same time, baby. All right, so now all the gate needs is some wire, and it's ready to be hung up. Watch out, Alana. All right, so the gate's gonna go. I had to take off some dirt down there to level it off because it's gonna swing. Tomorrow I'm gonna get some hinges, and the gate will swing like that. Not bad, right? So that's a perfect fit. We're gonna go ahead, get the fence, the wire on here tonight. Gonna finish off right here, and that's a wrap. That's a wrap. So let me walk you around and kind of show you, because this is going to be the end of the video. Next time you see this garden, then you're probably going to see some plants in there, and you're going to see it all, you know, with the door on and everything. Let's go. This right here, it's nice and flush. It's just right now it's just laying in there. All right, let me walk you guys around. All right, so that's the gate. That's the gate that to enter. I'm gonna enter through over here because I haven't put these wires up yet. All right. So there you go. Over there, I haven't, you know, stapled the wires on over there or just tied them up with some wires. because I haven't finished the gate. But we'll finish that off tonight and staple these things on the gate. And that's a wrap, baby. Now I got all my, as you can see, all the rows are in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and amend all those tomorrow. The chicken's been in here scratching it all up, so they kind of don't look like rows anymore. Even Nadia's getting in on the act. So enjoy today, because this is the last day you're going to be in here until I decide to let you in to eat. So all right, guys, so this is another project done at the Bulls Garden. It's a pleasure doing this little garden here, because I just want to have the chickens to have their own private little garden that they can come in. I can just open this up, let them stay in here, 10, 15 minutes every day, eating away. I'm gonna plant in here very abundantly, so it's not only veggies gonna be growing in here. I'm gonna be growing some vining plants up on the fences. I'm gonna be putting some herbs like woody herbs and stuff like that that'll stay put, and the chickens can nibble on and stuff like that. So feel real excited about doing this for the chickens. So all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed. You all take care. Much love from the Bulls Garden.
Dr. Ricky.
All right. This is a father and son act. So I hope you enjoy me and my son gardening and dealing with the chickens and all the funny videos that we do. So y'all take care. Much love.